It is no secret that our nation is at an infrastructure crossroads. Our 20th century investments in roads, bridges, power grids, clean water, and the Internet of Things, which made our country an economic powerhouse, are overdue for improvement. Michigan's University Research Corridor, an alliance of Michigan State University, University of Michigan, and Wayne State University, has been at the center of infrastructure research and development for decades. Now, these institutions are leading by accelerating discovery and driving real-life applications that improve our world.
The URC is positioned to help Michigan and the nation solve their infrastructure challenges through research,
talent development, using their campuses to test new infrastructure-related technologies, and moving innovation from the lab to the marketplace. Over the past 5 years, Michigan's 3 major universities conducted $1.64 billion in infrastructure-related research and initiatives in the fields of water, mobility, energy, and communications, and prepared 34,000 graduates for infrastructure-related jobs. Their work has improved stormwater systems by lessening the impact of flooding, quality of public water bodies through real-time monitoring, and better safety of automated vehicles through detecting pedestrians and parking spaces. Through innovation and exploration, the URC is making infrastructure smarter, safer, and more secure. Our institutions are enabling greater movement of people and goods, improving safety of traditional infrastructure while reducing costs, and securing our information online. Infrastructure is truly everywhere, touching every facet of our lives and our economy. The URC institutions are working to innovate and advance infrastructure for the good of our economy and the quality of our lives. For more information on the URC's infrastructure report, visit www.urcmich.org.